G'day guys, it's David from DUTYTEK here. Today I'm going to show you how to install our GME piggyback harness. This is all fully plug and play. So what that means is we use these two plugs to piggyback into the 12-volt cigarette socket, which is found here, right there. This goes straight into the GME unit. This here, straight there. And then this is the 2 amp inline fuse. So this is completely fused, plug and play. There's no cutting, no splicing, no nothing. So this should be a very easy and straightforward install with no mucking around. All right, so the first step is, number one, probably mask up your sides here, because if you don't, you might scratch it, won't look nice. Second step is, grab this, open it up so you got space to work. Now, grab the chip packet holder, right there, pull up, that's it. Now work your way down, there's a series of clips, don't be scared. Whoa. That's it. And when we lift it up like that, we're gonna tap into this right here. All right, once you're inside, grab this, there's a little tab at the bottom, lift it up, and pull it out. Pretty simple. Now grab this and just plug it all up. All right, grab your GME harness. This is the male side. Plug it into that, what you just unplugged. So it should click in. Done. Grab the other side. Go down and plug it straight in. Done. Perfect. Now with that all done, I'm just going to hook this up just to show you that it works. See this? Straight in. Bang. Could I please have that? A handpiece. Where is it? There it bloody is. Put that there, plug it in. There we go. We got power. And that is how you install the DUTYTEK plug and play harness for the GME UHF radio. Now just do a clean up, however you want to mount this, it's up to you. But this is how you tap into power. It's easy, it's simple, and there's no tricks, no cutting, no splicing, no soldering. And if you want one of these, you grab it from dutytek.com.au. Cheers.